The question is, if the mass of Sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, so which of the following is not correct? So first of all is raindrop will fall faster. Second is G on the earth will not change. Time period of simple pendulum on the earth would decrease. Walking on the ground would become more difficult. So the G on the earth will not change is basically not correct, because if universal gravitational constant becomes 10 times, then it would be G dash is equals to 10G. So the acceleration due to gravity is G is equals to Gm by R square. So the acceleration due to gravity increases. So therefore acceleration due to gravity increases. So therefore this option number 2 is not correct. But rest all of them are correct.